Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Aries Ascendant. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Sun controls your fifth house, and right now Sun is starting from your first house into your Ascendant. The Sun will stay into your first house till 15th of May. After 15th of May, Sun will move from your first house, from your Ascendant to your second house in the sign of Taurus. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your early education till college level education is seen from fifth house. Your sincere love relationship also seen from fifth house. So your fifth house lord is right now transiting from your first house, and right now Sun is present in its exalted position till 15th of May. Till Sun is present into your first house. If you are in education life, then we can expect you will have great result regarding your education related matter. You will perform very well into your education related matter if you are you are in higher education or middle education, because fifth house also deal with your mental ability, so your mental abilities will be enhancing and will be supportive to you during this time period. After 15th of May, when Sun will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Taurus. After 15th of May, when Sun will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Taurus, then we can also expect you will have a stable result due to presence of Jupiter as well into your second house along with Sun. So second house deal with your family, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your speech, your food intake habits, your early upbringing also seen from second house. Your family matters, your loved ones along with fifth house is also seen from second house. So when your fifth house lord will be transiting from your first house to second house, then you will have a stable result regarding all of your fifth house related matter. Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house, and right now Mercury is also transiting from your 12th house in the sign of Pisces. Mercury will enter into Aries sign around 6th of May, and from your first house to second house in the sign of Taurus around 24th of May. So Mercury will change two signs in the month of May. Around 6th May, Mercury will move from your 12th house to your first house in the sign of Aries, and around 24th of May, Mercury will move from your first house to your second house in the sign of Taurus. So Mercury will move a lot in the month of May, means Mercury will change two signs for all the age ascendant people, and Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house. One thing is very important to mention here is that Ketu is right now transiting in the sign of Mercury, and Ketu Rahu about to move. We will cover Rahu Ketu transit into separate video, but right now you just need to know Ketu is about to move from your Mercury sign, from the Virgo sign to Leo sign. So your Mercury, so Ketu is right now moving in the sign of Mercury. So that's why in the section of Mercury it is important to discuss about Ketu. So when Ketu will move from your sixth house to your fifth house, then Mercury will give you a lot of result. So during that time period, Mercury will be transiting from your first house in the sign of Aries. So you will have a lot of ease regarding your sixth house related matter, your litigation, your court cases, your hidden enemies, people who are against you. If you're doing some competitive exams, you're doing any type of competition, then things will turn into your favors. So you need to also be take care regarding all of this matter, because Ketu, when Ketu was present here, Ketu was suppressing your enemies. But when Ketu will move from your sixth house to your fifth house, you may face some different result regarding your sixth house related matter. So your sixth house and third house lord will be transiting from your first house till 24th of May. So till 24th of May, you will have a lot of abilities. You want to do a lot of effort into your work related matter, because third house is your effort, your hardworking ability, and sixth house is your strength. So lot of these two houses will be transiting from your first house. That's why we are saying you may get strength, you may get the passion to do hard work at your workplace. You will also get the revenue of that effort. After 24th of May, when Mercury will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Taurus, then your third house and sixth house lord will be transiting from your second house, and second house is somehow connected to your earnings related matter, because second, sixth, and 10th house always connected to your earnings related matter. So we can expect you will have more stable result regarding your earnings related matter. Then Ketu will be moved from your sixth house to fifth house. Means Ketu will leave the Mercury house alone till 19th of May, and 20 after 24th of May, Mercury will move from your house to your second house in the sign of Taurus. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the 80 ascendant people. Venus controls your second house and your seventh house, and right now Venus is also transiting from your 12th house in the sign of Pisces. Venus is right now present in its exalted position in the sign of Pisces because Venus considered as exalted, as we discussed in last one prediction video. Also, Venus is right now present in its exalted position as well because Venus is present in the Pisces sign. Still, the whole month of May, Venus will be present into your 12th house. In the end of May, like around 31st of May, Venus will move from your 12th house to your first house. So, major time period of this prediction, Mercury will be present into your 12th house in its exalted position. Venus is the lord of your second house and your seventh house. Second house, as we discussed previously in Mercury section and Sun section, second house deal with your earnings, your savings, your money matters, your bank account. Your regarding all of these matters, you will have great result because second house lord will be transiting from your 12th house and as an exalted position for the Venus. You will have a lot of opportunities from foreign land if you have some connection of earnings or work related matter from foreign, or your cousins or your elder brothers sisters are living into abroad, then we can expect you will have a lot of gains and good results regarding foreign related matters. If you don't have any connection from foreign land, then we can expect you will have a good result regarding your savings and money related matter due to presence of Jupiter as well into your second house till fifth, because Jupiter is as well present around your second house till 15th of May. So till 15th of May, we can expect you will have great opportunities. After 15th of May, because Venus is transiting from your 12th house, you also focus regarding your expenses, your losses. There are chances your expenses may exceed in the month of May due to presence of your second house of savings, house of money matter lord into your 12th house, in the house of expenses, in the house of losses. If your family member, one of your family member trying to move from your birthplace from different country, then we can expect great result regarding all of this matter to presence of your second house lord into your 12th house. Seventh house also controlled by Venus, and seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships, your legal bindings, your agreemented things, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. All of these things are seen from your seventh house. Travel somehow is represented by seventh house because first house is you and opposite to you is your seventh house. So it's also seen from your life partner, your opposite places. So seventh house plays an important role into your travel related matter. And seventh house lord is right now transiting from your 12th house and also present in its exalted position. That's why we were saying when we are discussing about second house lord, you may encounter travel related matter if you have any connection from foreign land or you want to move from your birthplace to foreign land. If you are married right now, then we can expect you will have a stable result. If you are unmarried and looking for a spouse, then we can expect you may get some foreign proposal during this time period if you're looking for foreign proposal because your seventh house lord is right now transiting from your 12th house. There are a lot of planets are right now present in your 12th house. If you're into some spirituality related matter, like you are practicing some spirituality or you are interested into spirituality related matter, or you understand spirituality, then we can expect you will have a lot of good result till 19th of May till Rahu is present in your 12th house. Because Saturn, Rahu, Mercury, and Venus, these four planets are right now present in your 12th house, so this will create a good position for your spirituality related matter if you are interested into some spirituality related matter. Rest, if you are not interested into spirituality related matter, then you may face some foreign related matter or you will be interested into some foreign related matter during this time period. Moon controls your fourth house, and right now Moon is present into your third house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 1st May 2025. Because Moon is a very fast moving planet, Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe in a single video for every house. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your birth chart into your transit chart. First of all, whenever Moon is transiting from 6th, 8th, and 12th house in monthly transit, during these days you may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties into your life because these house considered as the naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem, and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet during transit from any house, so during these days also you may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties into your life. And naturally, malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transits in everyone's birth chart. Mars controls your first house and your eighth house, and right now Mars is transiting from your fourth house in the sign of Cancer. As we discussed in our last one prediction video in the video of April, Mars is right now transiting from its debilitation sign because Cancer sign considered as a debilitation sign for Mars, and Mars is your ascendant lord. You may face some health related issues if you are older in age. You may face some downbreak into your immunity related matter because your ascendant lord is right now in a compromised position. Suddenly you may face some disturbance result regarding your health related matters. You need to be very careful regarding your fourth house related matter, regarding your health related matter, and you may face some unexpected events. There will be a lot of things dependent upon the positions of Mars into your birth chart because right now into your transit chart, your ascendant lord is right now in a weak position. And eighth house will be sudden unexpected events, sudden positive, sudden negative event. Both the events are seen from eighth house. Your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life also represented by eighth house. Your in-laws related matter. So first house and eighth house lord is right now present in debilitation sign. You need to be take care of your anger related matter. You need to be take care of your frustration related matter because Mars will create a situation into your home related matter regarding this issues. You may face anger issues at your home because right now Mars is starting from your fourth house with your home, your property, your vehicle, your home related matter. Means the people who are living into your home with you also face these problems due to presence of your Mars in its debilitation state. So it's your responsibility to take care of all the issues and and try to manage all the issues with ease in the month of May because you may face some difficulties. So we can expect these results in the month of May for all the Aries ascendant. Our today's video monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Aries ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.